What is going on, everybody? It's PMOC at 86 Drive. Today we're gonna do some minor mods to the MR2. Okay, the first thing we've got here is this gas hole. It's a gas cap holder that goes onto the gas lid. You can see it's made out of 3D printed plastic. Nothing too fancy. It's actually a little bit rough in parts, but you know, I think it's going to get the job done. It's a very low-cost, basic kind of part. By the way, the same guy that makes these also offers the same product. He also makes them for the MR2 Spider. So I ordered a couple of these for my friends that have MR2 Spiders, so you can see what those look like. These are actually kind of neat. They have the MRS logo in there, and also the Midship Eagle logo. So that's kind of neat. So let's pop the gas lid. Pretty much a standard looking gas cap with the gas lid over here, and what they call the gas hole, the holder for the gas cap is gonna attach over here. For whatever reason, the factory gas cap and gas lid do not have any means to hold this gas cap when you're at the gas station. You know, so basically you gotta take off this gas cap. You don't know where to put it. I usually end up dropping it somewhere over here on the engine lid, which if you're not careful, you could end up scratching the paint or denting this piece. Or you could even end up forgetting and losing that gas cap if you're not careful. So hopefully this piece here is going to solve that problem. So I was looking at this part and I was like, well, it looks pretty simply made. How does this thing attach securely to the gas lid? And I guess just looking at it, maybe I think it just slides right in and clips to that piece. So I guess we'll give that a shot. Well, you know what? I'm a complete moron. I was trying to put this thing in backwards. I had it flipped where I was trying to insert it here, thinking that there was some sort of screw or bolt holding that would clip onto this hole, but in fact, I didn't realize if you look back here, there's another screw or bolt. There's another bolt over here, and it's really designed to go this way, so that this tucks in behind this bolt here. So I just need to grab a socket and loosen this bolt. So I got my socket wrench. I'm gonna loosen this. Got the nut off, and I was able to slide this cap holder in place. Now I'm just gonna put this nut back on. All right, I've tightened down this nut with the socket. Not too tight, but should be good enough to hold it in place. All right, let's give this gas cap holder a try. Gas cap. All right, it took me a little bit of effort, but I was able to get the gas cap to stay in that hole over here. But yeah, I don't know. It took quite a bit of effort, and it wasn't something as simple as I thought. Like I thought, oh, I can just screw it in and it would hold. But it's not that secure. I think you kind of just have to snap it in there and then snap it back out. So not the greatest mechanism to hold the gas cap. I was thinking it would be something a little more simple and sturdy, but you know, but it works. So I think I'm gonna keep it and use it, obviously, but you know, I don't give it a 10 out of 10 in terms of fitment. So for example, my Lexus has this part over here on the gas cap lid that is designed to hold the gas cap, and you just take the gas cap, hang it right there. It's that easy. And you know, that was kind of what I was expecting this to be, but instead it seems like you have to apply quite a bit of force to snap the gas cap into place, and it's just a little more effort than I would have liked. And I had reached out to the guy and he confirmed that this is how it works. Okay, I guess the other major test of fitment is just to verify that, you know, with the gas cap back in its normal position and this thing installed on the gas cap lid, that I can go ahead and close this and everything looks fine. So let's do that. Yep, looks like it works. No issue there. Car's a little dirty. Looks like everything's functional, so I guess we're done here. Now the next thing I wanted to work on, another quick and easy mod, I was gonna deactivate this power antenna on the MR2. As you can see, when it's extended, when you turn on the radio, this power antenna comes up and it's super long and it's a bit unsightly. Looks like an RC car with this long antenna. So I'm gonna bring it down and remove the power from the power antenna motor. And I think that'll help it keep a more streamlined look. I think for normal use here in the Bay Area, the radio signals are pretty strong, so I don't think it'll affect radio reception too much if I don't have the antenna fully extended. Anyways, we'll give it a shot. So once you got the trunk open, I think it's a fairly simple process to access the antenna motor. Just remove or pull back this kind of felt cover or trunk lining. On my car it's pretty loose, so pretty easy to get back here. You can see down here, that's the antenna motor. This thing back here, I think, is the power for the antenna. So I'm gonna try and unplug that. Okay. So let's power up the radio and see if that did the trick. All right, let's give this radio a test. Power on.
Something's wrong with this version of 2020. Can we just reinstall?
Yeah, the radio works. And it looks like the antenna is still down. So yeah, deactivated the power antenna motor by pulling the power. It's still got signal to the radio, so we're still getting pretty good radio reception. So mission accomplished. And for a sneak preview of what's coming next for the MR2, oh, what do we have here? What's in here? I don't know. Stay tuned next time. Bye.